What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This video I'll be showing you how to delete HelloTalk account. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly delete your HelloTalk account? Well, this one is very easy. So first things first is you want to open up the HelloTalk app here and just basically log into your account. Now what you need to do is you want to go and click on the Me tab at the bottom right of your screen, and you should be able to see your profile. Now at the top right of your screen you should see a gear icon, which in this case that's your setting. So go ahead and click on that gear icon that you see at the top right. Now from here, you want to choose the option here that says account at the very top. Now from here, just click on the delete account at the very bottom of the list or options here. So it might be kind of small here, just look for it, but it's going to be delete account. Go ahead and click on it. Now from here, just click on delete account, and it should direct you to the page where in this case, it's going to give you some notice here. So in this case, if you really want to proceed with the account deletion, just click on request deletion here, and this will actually start the process of deleting your account. So this might take a time because again, it's going to be a whole process. A support team will actually delete your account for you instead of you manually deleting it via this way. But in this case, once you click on it, you should be able to delete your account. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.